to all of you. First of all, let me apologize for coming late. It is not purposefully. A parallel program with Beauty Sector Skills Council was going on for launching of that yoga book by Honorable Chairman and by Dr. Nagendra, the Yoga Guru of Honorable Prime Minister. तो वो चल रहा था, उसी दौरान हम यहाँ पे आए हैं. First of all, it's really a momentous occasion. Our chief guest, Honorable Minister, Sri Bhanu Pratap ji, he's among us, so it's rather a great booster for launching this kind of ideathon. So CBSE and Management Sector Skills Council, led by Colonel Prokrial, Mr. Santosh, and other team members, and of course the partner institutes, and even those who are in the backbone, creating the story for the new generation, that is all the fund giver. So it's a proud privilege for me to witness this kind of mega launching of ideathon by Management Sector Skills Council and CBSE. The main purpose of this kind of initiative is how we can nurture the thinking ability among the children. So usually the curriculum load is so much that many a times we really want to focus upon the academic, that core curricular activity, which is fine-tuned with the assessment or towards the entrance examinations conducted by CBSE or any state board for the sake. But here, through this kind of ideathon, we try to create a mechanisms for holistic learning so that their own idea to creating a prototype with a mechanisms of design thinking process, which definitely our mentor institutes are going to help them. And through that process story, I think different kind of interventions towards academic skilling and other area would be touched upon. So many a times our children try to give different kind of ideas, but I'm sorry to say, because we teachers community many a times try to allow them to speak, because for teachers most important thing is how to complete the curriculum, the textual materials prescribed by CBSE or NCERT, and this really happens in the higher classes, and core focus is how we can prepare them for the examination. I think these kind of activities we are doing for last several decades. And we are happy with this kind of activities because our teachers are happy, our parents are also happy because they see the scorecard. But ultimately, whether our nation is happy, I think this is the crucial questions हमको ये पूछना चाहिए एक दूसरे से. And what are the end terms of objective? Many a times, many thinker or many innovator in the process, they usually lost their creativity, and they are fine-tuned with a core objective how they can serve organizations again which has been established in foreign soil. So आत्मनिर्भरता तभी आएगा जब आत्मचिंतन का एक सही मात्रा में विकास होगा, और ये एक विकास के लिए एक सोच है. I think through that kind of idea, through critically touching upon their mindset, it could be any problem solving activities, may be related to sustainable development goal, or it may not be. Core typical problem of household, typical problem of neighborhood community, or it could be anything. And let me share some story related to what we did with this artificial intelligence incubations program when we fast-tracked with some of the school students, and I'm happy Dr. Shodha is also very much here, and Dr. Jindal is from Jindal schools, Dr. Pandey is also very much here. And in fact, they participated in the pilot project, and thereafter, same process we try to hold with respect to the student idea incubations, and also giving artificial intelligence curriculum to them in a fast-track mode. And believe me, out of this journey, in last, I think it's not this year, last to last year, 8 patents are being filed by school students. We want more and more patents should come, and through the patent, how an entrepreneurial mindset can be injected or embedded in the student as well as the parent, so that the journey for job market. I was witness the speech of our director IIT Delhi in Vibrant Gujarat last year again. He was sharing with our honorable minister of the then Minister of Education that बहुत सारे IIT दिल्ली का बच्चे उस साल में कैंपस इंटरव्यू में नौकरी नहीं लिया है, and their core focus is to start on their own. अभी एक ना माहौल बदल रहा है, जो पेरेंटियल माइंडसेट, पेरेंट्स का साथ हो सकते है थोड़ा झगड़ा करना पड़ेगा, बट फिर भी ये जो अपना आइडिया, अपना हुनर को, अपना प्रतिभा को पहचान करके कोलैबोरेटिव 21st सेंचुरी स्किल्स सिर्फ बोलने से नहीं आएगा. सो नाउ थ्रू दिस आइडियाथॉन you are going to collaborate with your school student as well as peers from the other schools, from other city. तभी वो ग्लोबल थिंकिंग आएगा, बिकॉज हमारा जो कल्चर है उसका साथ भी बहुत सारे इंग्रेडिएंट और सोल्यूशन है. अभी उस सोच का शुद्धता लाने के लिए आई थिंक दिस काइंड ऑफ आइडियाथॉन इज वेरी मच नेसेसरी. और आजादी का 75 years का अमृत महोत्सव would be truly we can celebrate if this idea can become a not a prototype only, because बहुत सारे आइडिया, because IIM अहमदाबाद का तरफ से भी एक अच्छा प्रयास हुआ था. जितना भी इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज और पॉलिटेक्निक का प्रोजेक्ट है, वो प्रोजेक्ट डॉक्यूमेंट्स the professor in charge was requesting all the colleges to share their project, और उस प्रोजेक्ट से कुछ प्रोटोटाइप बना के इसको इंडस्ट्रियल मॉडल बना जा सकता है क्या, उसका बहुत आज से 8-10 साल पहले, rather 10 साल नहीं, I should say during that point of time I was a faculty in a government engineering college. तो उस maybe 15 years back I got a letter from IIM Ahmedabad. तो ऐसा नहीं है, बहुत सारे इंस्टीट्यूट, बहुत सारे स्टेट और यूनियन गवर्नमेंट का तरफ से एक प्रयास है, बट उस प्रयास एक जगह पे बंद हो जाता है. तो आइडिया तो बहुत सारे आते हैं, लेकिन आइडिया को इंक्यूबेट करके, नाउ देयर आर सो मेनी वेंचर कैपिटलिस्ट. We are, our chairman and some of our team member, we are discussing with Professor Sanjay Sharma, Vice President of MIT. वो बोल रहे सिलिकॉन वैली में बहुत सारे इंडियन हैं, वो पैसा देने के लिए तैयार है. अच्छा खासा आइडिया तो लेके आओ. तो we are really thankful to Management Sector Skills Council, both Pokhriyal, Santosh ji and other team members for bringing this kind of, this is also excellent idea for Ideathon. We must acknowledge. And we feel privileged, CBSE as a part of this ball game. And we not only want that only CBSE schools, no, this is a no barrier. Rather, we'll also request Sector Skills Council to reach to the other state board. क्या पता है कहाँ पे आइडिया छुपा हुआ है. सो सीबीएसई सिर्फ नहीं है, बाकी स्टेट बोर्ड, राज्य को भी हमको इसमें इन्वॉल्व शामिल करना पड़ेगा, तभी वो अमृत महोत्सव का साकार रूप हम ला सकते हैं. विद दिस नोट, once again, thanks to all the distinguished members who have कोरोना पीरियड्स में भी अपने समय निकाल के यहाँ पे आया, and especially honorable minister जो हमको आज ब्लेस किए हैं और इस परंपरा को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए एक एनकरेज किया है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू वंस अगेन.